Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to automate your business processes using workflows in Kladana. Workflow is an automatic action that happens according to some triggers and conditions. Workflows help to automate repeated actions, create tasks for employees, create link transactions, control processes, change results, get notifications about unpaid or missed sales orders, control processes, and differentiate access rights. To create a workflow, you need to specify the trigger of an action, what should be done, and under what conditions. Let's see how to do it in Kladana. In Kladana, we go to the settings and workflows. You can create a new workflow or use a template which are predefined in Kladana. If you create a new workflow, you should create a name for it. If needed, add a comment which will describe how the workflow works. Then you should define what event should start the flow. You choose subjects from the list and what should happen. For example, a sales order is created. Each object has its event. Then choose what action should be taken. Also, action depends on the object. For the sales order, we have the list of actions. Once you choose the action, there will appear fields to add details. For example, if we choose update sales order fields, we should define which field and what value should appear there. You can add several actions, for example, change the status and send a notification to the manager. Then you can choose when action should happen. You can also add specific conditions for the actions. Conditions can follow two logics. Should happen together. We choose and, or. One of the actions should happen. We choose or. Let's create a workflow for sales order. The workflow should automate team notification about important clients and set a specific status for such orders. For example, for approval. I created a workflow with the name of new sales order and the comment for it. Check that there is a check mark against active. Choose that action should start when a new sales order is created. Choose actions that should be done. Status for approval should appear in the sales order. Also, a notification should be sent to Uday. I have added variables so the manager receives information from the sales order. You can check available variables in our help center. And final action, create task for employees. We choose the author of the task for whom it should be assigned. When I add the deadline for the task and describe it, the task should be linked to the transaction. And then I choose that it should start right after the event happens. As a condition, we add that workflow should work only for the companies that are in group VIP. And after that, we save the workflow. This workflow will help when orders come from emails, messengers, and employees creating a sales order manually in Kladana. Or it comes automatically from the online order app or other channels such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magneto. I will show how the workflow works creating a sales order manually. We create a new sales order, choose as the counterparty, the company from VIP group, and they are ordering the sofa. After that, click on save. After that, Uday as a manager will receive the notification in user settings. You can choose via which channels the user receives notification. I received it in my browser. Then we can see that there's a new task. It contains the necessary details and deadline. And Sahil should receive the notification. The status of the sales order will be updated once we close it. So our workflow is working. In Kladana, you can also use workflow templates. You can check the available list in the workflow settings. Using workflows in Kladana, you can not only automate your business processes and reduce manual work, but also save your time. That's all about workflows. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.